To create a real moon, we require two things: a background image and an image of the surface of the moon. Now, drag and drop the image of the surface of the moon onto the background image and do as shown. Now, go to the 3D section. New mesh from layer. Mesh preset, and sphere. Now, let it load, and now you can adjust the axis of the moon. Remember to turn off the shadow checkbox as shown. Now, go to the layers, right-click on the moon layer, and select Rasterize 3D. Now, press Ctrl+T. Now go to the Effects panel, and select Blending option. Add outline glow and inner glow to the moon and do the adjustments according to the background you have. After all the adjustments are done, align the moon as shown. Boom! You have created a moon in Photoshop using some simple steps.
Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe our channel for more editing videos.